Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I've had some of my rings or people talking about online. One of the little tricks that I helped to keep from getting a flat spot right here, because sometimes you can run them around, you just keep running them around and then they get smaller and smaller and smaller. So what I've done is I've kind of figured out a little cheat for that spot. So I'll go around one, maybe two times to get it pretty round. And then I'm going to take out my big pin and I'm going to put my second pin in there, the second largest pin. And then let me zoom in here for you. And basically where the ring comes around, right here, I want to be just above that. I'm just going to give it a little squeeze. I'm going to turn it just a touch. Perfectly round ring. And probably my shortest video ever. Awesome. I hope everyone has fun. Make sure to subscribe, and I don't know if they have a bell anymore, but I hope everyone has a great day.